Hi, I'm Pete from Pete's Garage on YouTube, here to share with you this incredible 1,025-piece tool set from Husky. I've been turning wrenches for over 35 years, and I can honestly say this is the only tool set you'll ever need to buy. This amazing set includes 15 drive tools, 31 extensions and adapters, 12 socket rails, 433 sockets, 94 impact sockets, 218 wrenches, 113 hex keys, 37 screwdrivers, and 72 other tools. The ratchet handles fit very comfortably in your hand, and I really like the fully recessed quick release button that prevents accidental release, so sockets are held securely. The ratchets and ratcheting wrenches only need a 5-degree swing arc to turn fasteners in tight spaces. The wrenches feature a reversible 12-point box end design, and the offset offers increased clearance. The flex head ratchets and wrenches pivot up to 180 degrees to get in those odd angle spots. Both the wrenches and sockets feature chamfered lead-ins to provide fast and easy placement onto drive tools and fasteners, as well as off-corner loading to help prevent the rounding of fasteners. Bit sockets attached to a 3/8-inch magnetic drive tool, providing a longer handle and more leverage than standard hex keys or screwdrivers. The large, hard-stamped size markings allow for easy readability, while the chrome finish provides corrosion resistance and added durability. So if you're just starting your career or looking for the absolute most complete tool set you can buy, check out the 1,025-piece mechanics tool set from Husky.